Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, I am Sheila with Ms.Shelia DIY, and I'll be bringing you a lovely chef decoration that you can add to your home decorations. These are the products that you will be needing in order to complete this project. What I'm doing here is I'm adding 4 tumble blocks together to get the size that I want for the beginning of my design. And again, I'm using wood glue because it is stronger and will hold the blocks, and then it also makes the project a lot hairier and sturdier to hang up on the wall. You see where I added 2 tumble blocks together, glued them in a set of 2, making it 4 high. And this will be consistent of the size for the design. You can make it as long as you want or even short as you want. The first one is consistent of 2, the second one is 3, and the third one is 4. Here I'm showing you where I'm doing the design. And again, here I am showing why I added the sides together. And again, the height is mainly up to you. You can make it either 3 tall, 4 tall, 2 tall. Here you see where I am now adding my decorations. And you see where I've also painted the design gray because again, I'm trying to hide the tone of the wood. And I'm covering the design with diamond gem wrap. And also you see here where my base consists of 3 sets of the 4 tumble blocks together, and I glued it with wood glue. Again, there's 4 sets of 3s glued with wood glue to the bottom of the design. And here you see where I am decorating the base of the design as well. Decoration for the front of the design. I'm using diamond wrap in the middle center, and then I'll come back in using my small mural tiles on the second set of blocks, and then I'll follow it back in with the diamond gem wrap. And then on the very sides of the design, I'm just lining those with the mural tiles as well. Again is where I add the mural tiles to the side of the design using hot glue. And this is the completed design. It's a quick and easy project that you can make for yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please share this video with anyone you know who may be interested in doing their own DIYs. And again, I do want to thank you for allowing me to come into your home to show you another one of my quick and easy DIY projects. And again, thanks for stopping by.